Good morning. Looking good today. And it's beautiful out, like you can't complain. Got these fertilizer pellets for support and nutrients. But man, what a morning. It's like a perfect chill. This is a perfect spring chill. Let's get a little glimpse at the greenhouse this morning. The newly planted kale. Got the old ones out, new ones in. Lemons. Do you see what I see? There's like ready to eat. Hey, these didn't get large in size, but they have a lot. Any turns? Couple of turners here. There's the turner right there. And then another one here. This is like one of the first original ones. Alright, doing okay. It's been a while since we checked up on our grape tree. I was just taking a look and I see something like this. Are you kidding? Look at that. Are they ready to grow some fruits? They're on every branch, on every leaf. They're literally on every one of them. Like, look at this one. Look at this thing. Is that it? For real? Is that it? I mean, look at this. Is that it for real? I don't know. I'm excited though, if it is, because there is a lot. You know what? Let's do a recap. It's been a while. So, this row right here, this furthest row to the right, those are all fresh dahlias and persimmon trees. Then this row here, so we have the collard greens right there. On this row here, right next to it, that is the kale and zucchini. Same, well, not same over here, just the zucchini here, middle, and then furthest down. And we did plant mixed lettuce here on this side, but I think those seeds were old. We gambled on them and they have not germinated whatsoever. This row, this is our busiest row. The bush beans, which are already fully planted, but then we put down beans as well. We have dragon tongue beans here. We have a few different types of beans. Then we have here more beans, more green beans, snap beans. And then on this row, we have the cucumbers. Some of them are struggling, so they're kind of like So hopefully they adapt nicely. Now on this row here, it's just squash. One squash from each end. And then on this side we have the opals, and then I believe that is the squash as well. In the meantime, we don't want to waste time, so we're always in between time in the meantime. And then we have the okra. They're sprouting, and there's actually more sprouts coming up over in the buckets. We have the pechay and the snow peas. Now the snow peas are getting out of control. They need their own space. I think we're gonna take care of that soon.
So I have 6 pieces to plant. Then we can. I don't know if Atilani has more. The compost from the earthworm. Casting. We call it the casts. Casting.
We're gonna harvest all the pichay. Why
There's no snow peas in certain ones.
Here.
Look at all of that.
I'm just pulling it and then cut the in here because I don't want to be. Because
So it's better out here.
yeah, because pichay really wants a cold weather. It's growing
Which one?
here.
What's that?
I think that's the Brussels sprout. So
These are
this
the
one,
Brussels
I will
sprouts.
transfer it to that.
And then just like that one right there.
Oh yeah,
Looks the
that's the
same.
Brussels.
That is the Brussels sprouts.
Yeah,
Is it?
because this one also.
Alright. That was a good bunch. Oh, I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna take a chance. I'm gonna take a chance. Oh my goodness. I'm going. I'm winning. Ugh.
Because hindi mo naman
Ooh,
to
it's so bright.
pwedeng anuhin.
This is huge. But this is also like a sweet, like a pichay too. Variety, different variety. But
That's
I
a lot.
already planted like
Oh, look.
this one. Oh, see, this is Taiwanese Thai,
There's-
white pichay. We will plant that
Oh,
outside.
some bok choy.
We're gonna plant that outside.
Man, I might want to take a strawberry.
It's really good.
Did you try a strawberry there?
I
I'm gonna try one.
tried.
I'm gonna try this one.
I tried already. Mousy said, no, don't eat that one. No, I will try. Vinegar is good.
Mm. Why? Oh, sweet.
Oh,
Oh, it's really
this
sweet.
spinach. When you harvest a spinach, you can just cut out. Don't harvest all thing because this is so hard to grow.
We had a lot from last year. Remember? For the spinach, we were just like chopping it. Oh no, that wasn't
that's
that.
the kangkong.
That was a
Water
oh,
spinach.
the
That's
water
a water
spinach.
spinach.
That's
This
what
is
we
the-
do. We
the
harvest
difference.
all day.
This is also a spinach, but a different variety. This is actually old already. Winter time, it's already been here. That's why we're just harvesting
The mature leaves.
mature leaves. This is flowering already, so we need to just let it be so that we can get the seeds for the next time planting. So this is good.
Enjoy. Look at the table. It's all green. Good morning, good morning. Man, it's cold. Stressing out the plants. How about we take a look at the snow peas? The snow peas are now in view because we just harvested the pechay yesterday. Look at the sizes of those things. That's crazy. Look at the size of them. Wow, these two are like, look at it's already above the bucket. That's crazy. This one too. These two as well. Sunrise. So the mixed lettuce, we knew was a little old, and I think it's not growing. It's definitely not growing. I guess no good. Oh well, we'll plant some more stuff.
Bush beans.
More bush beans. So we figured out why there were gaps. They were busy, occupied by the saffron. Now they will be. Maybe there. There's an empty spot here.
Oh, this is for ano, here na lang.
What, the last area here?
This is not I will transfer this.
That's the pansy,
This is fancy.
isn't it?
Monkey said it's not, but I said, but
looks
this
just
is the
like
same
it.
color.
It looks just like it. Oh, wait, what happened?
I want to put this one because I thought where I'm waiting to grow, but then when I check under, there's no seeds.
You didn't put any seeds in.
Waiting for the seed.
Alright, tuck it in, tuck it in.
This is also one of the ampalaya.
Let's see.
Just trying.
This is the ampalaya.
This is lofa.
Good morning, good morning. Looked like it rained last night. It's a lot of rain. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. I put some casting soil. It's like extra nutrients, natural fertilizer. It's awesome. Yeah, it did rain. Like I said last week, it was gonna be a few more weeks of cold lows, but it's okay. We're doing all right. Good morning, good morning. It's a beautiful, beautiful sunrise right now. Well, these temperatures, man, we expected them, but they're really stressing out our plants, and I'm a little bit worried. But hey, let Mother Nature work. End of April. Look at that sunrise. Oh, that's beautiful. Anyway, good morning. This is getting me nervous. This weather is getting me nervous. Look, we got the pots back on. We're nervous. Dude, the only thing doing well is snow peas. Look at this double slider right here. Boom, boom. One tall, one short. Looks like Atalani clipped one. Fingers crossed, it's gonna be a tough weekend. Let's see here what's going on. At least the greenhouse stuff is okay, just because we have a temperature setting, stays around like 50, 55. So as long as it's around there, our greenhouse will be okay. Hello, strawberry. That's a beautiful one. Ooh. Oh man, this is crazy. Look at these bunches. Oh, the tomatoes. Look, the tomatoes are like twice the size now. Way taller than they were. Just gotta survive this weekend. Please, son, come out, son, please. Good morning, good morning. Oh boy. A rainy morning. It rained all night. Just checking, making sure that there's no flooded areas here. Usually towards the end over there. Right here. Flooding a little bit. Same thing over here. There's a lot of water building up over here. Anyway, it's time to go inside. There they are. Lily, Lola, and Lolo. All three hanging out. Still a little drizzle, but not too bad. Oh, good morning, good morning. Rain stopped for today, but it's gonna keep pouring down in the afternoon. We're gonna harvest a little bit of the veggies in the greenhouse. Hello, Atalani, hello. Those are some big leaves. Not bad at all. Man, these strawberries. Don't mind if I do. It's red, but it's not red. Not the red that I like. Almost there. Next time, one of these strawberries coming with me. That's it. Let us just harvest the rest of this and eat it. Come on, son. Give us some heat, man.
Because this is, it's already ripe, but it had not grown bigger. Okay. Just a little more here. And it's a little deformed. I don't know. It's probably that aphid, so we need to.
It was like it was fuzzy.
It's so good.
It was really fuzzy, so it's okay.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh. This is really delicious. And we can put this in the salad because Ate Lani
Here it is. Let's see how far we can fill it.
This is our harvest strawberries for today.
It's a lot.
It's a lot. This is good for our salad today.
It's a good bunch. Yep. Yep. As expected. More rain for the forecast. We just had like 2 days straight of rain, like nonstop. Anyways, I guess we're indoors. See you in the next one.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight.